So this is just some Gumpy Nathan footage that I got before I had OBS, so it's kind of shit, but just something to hold you over to the next video. Alright, see ya.
Oh yeah, and all the footage is vertical.
Oh my god, we fucking did it! That took so long. Jump! No! Oh my god.
Get this L, bro.
Oh no. It's so scary. Look at him.
What's going on? What happened?
That's terrifying.
Mr. Sandman.
Oh. Gamer. Oh wow. Really gamer.
Okay.
Oh shit. No, no! Oh my god, it's a vibe check. It's a vibe check. Oh my god. You're gonna fuck your shit up.
I'm dreaming of a white.
The pro shit. The pro. No! 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 Wow. Yeah, really fast. What? What? No! The pro gamer position. This time for sure. You kind of have to. You have 0 lives. No! I want to sleep. Stop trying to fucking no.
Just above the edge, I swear.
He refuses to die. Nathan, I'm done. I'm fucking done.
夜を沈め心浮かべる